All right, first cast with the Ozark OTX Ozark Trail from Walmart IM7 ultralight rod and a loose spinning reel. The 6-pound test that came with it, monofilament. All right, casted really nice, really smooth, considering that line had sit on that reel for a little while. Oh, had a hit. That's a good sign. I felt it. It's a pretty rod. A little expensive for Ozark Trail product, but being that it's IM7 and it's well crafted, including the topographical cork grips, which are a little bit rough, but I'll smooth them out with some use here. It's kind of a stiffer rod, which is kind of what I wanted, that I could serve double duties for catching some bass and walleye, trout. Give it another cast. Get this line stretched out a little bit. It's been sitting on this reel forever. Check my drag a little bit here. There we go. So far I like the lightness of the reel, or the reel and the rod. The combo is a nice little panfish, small bass, crappie setup. Probably well suited for the kayak. It's got a fast tip. I wouldn't call it an extra fast tip for this size of rod, but it's about right. Maybe avoiding, I don't know what's wrong. Something happened to my reel here. It's locked up. The reel's locked up. I got line wrapped up around the already got an issue with my line here, which I knew better. I knew better than to leave this line on here, especially 6 pound on this little. All right, I guess we're gonna have a technical break here. Back in business. It appears that the line got caught up in the line clip. There we go, fish on. Fish on, just in time. Feels like a nice crappie. Nope, it's a nice trout. All right, here we go. After that, all that, we end up with a fairly decent trout. All right, get him undone. Oh, there we go. One trout down. All right, let's go. See you later, buddy. So far, success, I would say. Even after the line got tangled up in my line clip, which was weird. On the Lose light spin, speed spin. LS, light speed spin. $21 reel. So we'll see if it makes it through ice fishing season. I really like this rod a lot. It's fun. It's a lot more fun to use a rod like this than a medium standard, or even a medium light. This is, I would call this more of just an ultralight, not a microlight. An ultralight with a little bit of backbone to it is what I'm going to call it. It doesn't have the sensitivity, nowhere near my St. Croix, but it is light, and I like the action. I suppose if I put a little fire line on this, or light diameter braid, I could jump the sensitivity. It's got 6 pound test on there, which is okay, but I'd rather have 4, maybe 2 pound on this. Probably 4. There we go. Another trout. Yeah, trout's pulling on this pretty good. You can see, handling it okay. All right, little guy, you're good. All right, man. It's a trout catcher. All right. Let him go. See you later, little buddy. I'd feel comfortable catching walleye on this. White bass, largemouth. Any fish that you're targeting that'll be under 5-6 pounds. Well, the trout feel good on it. I am definitely gonna have to get rid of this line. It's looping up on me here.
But hey, $21, $22 at Walmart. You know, it's ready to fish. So you just gotta deal with things that happen, like this annoying loop, which could be detrimental to my fishing here. It's amazing how line can get bad so quick here. Those coils, whew, that's a high memory line, whatever they put on here. It's not copolymer, that's for sure. It is coiling up in a hurry. Get through it. Get this thing worked out.
So far, the only thing that isn't really making me happy is this line, which I knew was going to be problematic, but I went with it. There's another fish. See what we got here. It feels like another trout. I think we're just stuck with catching. No, it's a bluegill. Haha. There you go. Different species. Little dinkster. Good job. Boy, if I was flathead fishing, I'd be definitely. Woo, see you later, little buddy. I'd be definitely running that guy out. Alright, just make a concerted effort there to load up the rod. Not just a simple little flip. Alright, let's try the other side. See what's going on over here. Oh, definitely feeling all the little hits. Here we go. Oh, there goes the crappie. That's what we're dealing with here. Dinky stinky crappie. Here we go. Feels like a trout. Yep. A nice trout, actually. Go, man. Get this guy up there. They always look nicer farther away than they are. Okay. All right, little guy. Grow up. See you nice season. Feeling the bites on the Ozark Trail OTX 5'6" IM7 graphite rod. Hasn't fallen apart yet. The guides are nice, casting pretty good. The only downside is my factory provided line, monofilament line on this loose light spin reel. But it is what it is. Free. Alright, almost got hung up there. Probably got a bent hook. Check that out here. Don't want to lose a fish to a bent hook. No? Okay. Oh, see, it did it again. It didn't load up. Or I got to get used to giving it some time to load up on my cast, not just a quick little flip. I like being able to just whip cast as soon as I bring her in. And I just slow her down a little bit on the casting. It's not the only thing I don't like. It doesn't load up. There you go, fish on. That one felt like a crappie 100%. They're hitting the smaller one, and they're getting it good. All right, little crappie, bait size crappie. definitely have good sensitivity in the rod. But all in all, I'm pleased. I don't know, is it $35 for this rod? $35 for this rod, just the rod by itself, a good deal coming from Ozark Trail. I don't know, I'll have to do a little bit more long-term analyzation and compile some data on how I feel about it. But as far as a budget alternative, it's a good one, especially when you're dealing with something that's advertised as IM7. So that's a good all-around blend of graphite. There we go. We got one a little bit bigger crappie there. There we go. A little bit bigger, little 8-incher. Pop out. There you go. Not bad. There you go. The tip isn't fast enough. I suppose if it was in that 6-foot range, maybe 6'6" range, it might have a little extra fast tip. Could be manufactured into it. Snag, it feels like there. Like somebody put a Christmas tree out there or something. It's always something, man. Alright, let's see if we can get out of this mess. Ugh. There we go. Something. There we go. I don't know what that is. Somebody threw a Christmas tree or something out there. Alright. Alright, man. We just got this big old bass. Big old bass sitting right here. Look at that guy. Caught him on the ultralight. The Ozark Trail ultralight OTX 5'6" on a Lose microlight reel. Alright, we're gonna get him back in the water now. Put him back exactly where we got him. This is a 4-pound fish. 4-pound fish. Alright, let's get him going. Alright, guy. Let's get you going. We'll see you later. There you go. There you go. Then go ahead and get you a better release than that. I guess I'm gonna have to get wet a little bit. There you go. There you go. Got me wet. See you later, buddy. Yeah. All right, we're out here tonight with the Ozark Trail OTX 5'6" ultralight reel. I'm just gonna run a single crappie jig. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm hooked into something big here. I'm hooked into something big. I can't see it. It feels like a carp. Oh no, it's a walleye. Oh my gosh. In there, hopefully. All right, big girl maybe. All right, got him. Yeah. All right, see you later. Woo. Just in case they actually discontinue the McRib. Oh, it's a ploy made with love.